Did you know that gravity can slow down time? The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. It even shapes the entire universe. We often think of gravity as what makes things fall, but it's much more. Gravity is the invisible force sculpting the cosmos, keeping planets in place and bending space itself. Many believe gravity is the same everywhere, but it varies across planets and even in space. Scientists still struggle to fully grasp its deepest secrets, like how it connects with quantum mechanics or if it's truly a fundamental force. Gravity is more than attraction, it warps space-time. Black holes stretch it to infinity. Ripples in gravity, gravitational waves, were detected only recently, proving Einstein right again. Even the universe's expansion is linked to gravity's unseen hand. But here's the big mystery. Scientists believe dark matter and dark energy influence gravity in ways we don't yet understand. Is there a deeper force shaping the universe? The answer might change everything. Gravity isn't just a force, it's a mystery that's still unfolding. The universe is far from fully understood, and gravity holds the key. What are your thoughts on gravity's hidden powers? Comment below. And if you want to learn more about the universe's biggest mysteries, check out our next video.